So I had some water in my Jeep gas tank, and I drained 10, it's a 20-gallon tank for my Jeep. And yesterday I took 10 gallons to the dump. And so today I'm getting down to the last couple, 2 or 3 gallons. But I want to show you the water that's coming out of my tank now. Obviously the water is heavier than gas, so it floats to the bottom. And now I'm getting down to the bottom, and I also had all kinds of particles, rust particles, that's coming through. In fact, you can see some coming through here. Just saw a big piece of it in the jug. So let me, this is getting ready to fill up. I'm going to start the next one, and then we'll look at the other can, the other gallon, and see what's going on in it. All right, hold on. Okay, so here it is. Can you see the separation right there in that jug? That is water that was in my gas tank, because I have a leaking sending unit. And look at all the little debris floating in there. So I'm replacing the sending unit in my tank. I have a plastic tank, so obviously the sending unit is sending metal inside the tank. But look at the water. That's the first gallon that I've gotten that had that much water in it. Yeah. So let's see what's coming out of the next one. Alright, so there's my Jeep. And I'm going to go to the dump. I got, what do I got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, another 9.5 gallons. 10.5 gallons. But this 1 gallon definitely has some separation in it. Look at that. See that line? Look at that. So yeah, Jeeps don't run good on water. So I'm going to take it to the dump, dispose of it properly, getting a new new sending unit for my gas tank so I can get my Jeep running and get some fresh fuel in it. Should run good again. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.